James with Creative Audio. Today we're going to be doing a product overview on the new Horizon 10 from Stinger. So those of us familiar with the Stinger HI-10 series, this is going to be the new Horizon 10. So what we're going to notice, the main difference going from the previous generation to the new generation, you're still going to have the 10-inch screen, but this is going to be IP65 rated. So this is going to be a better fit for some of your Jeeps, UTVs, depends on where you're going to be mounting that, because this is going to be weather resistant at that point. So this is going to give you several different options as far as mounting. As you can see, this fits a single DIN chassis for the actual radio itself. So depending on what vehicle, this is going to be basically all but universal. So this will be single DIN, it'll fit in a double DIN opening, and then it has the customizable mounting brackets to mount that display where you want. We found really good success on the previous generation using them in Jeeps and things like that with their vehicle specific kits. And Stinger has done that again with the new kits here. So they've utilized the pack interface. So that way this is gonna be a plug and play, go directly into either your JK, your JL, or your JT Jeep. They've got corresponding kits for those and more to come as well. So Stinger refers to the Horizon 10 as an infotainment system. What that's going to do is that's going to allow you to have something that's going to give you options to expand or be its own standalone unit. So this has two USB inputs on the back, a USB-C, HDMI input. It's going to have 4 camera inputs as well as a video out and all your RCA outputs that you would get with the traditional radio. So while this is mechless, while this is marine grade, as far as dust and moisture in the air, this does not play CDs, doesn't play discs, but in most cases you're not going to be needing that. So this allows you to do wireless Android Auto, wireless CarPlay. You can add satellite radio to it. You can also add, if you use the SD card slot, you can add the iGo navigation. So even not using your cell phone for any of your navigation, you can actually do that all through an SD card. So this is designed to be ready to go right out of the box, but you can also expand upon it and have it as the foundation of a very elaborate system. So in addition to the standard universal single DIN mounting style where you can mount the display attached to the unit, you can actually get the pack vehicle specific installation kits. As you can see, we've got 2 examples out here, one for the JK Jeep and then one for the JL and JT. So if you've got a Gladiator, newer Jeep, Wrangler, or if you have a JK, they offer this vehicle specific installation kit. So this is designed specifically for the Horizon 10 to allow you to install that and use your factory harness. It includes the modules to retain any of your factory settings, but also the dash kit to make the installation look like it was supposed to, and you're adding a feature to the vehicle and not taking away from it. So in addition to the Jeep kits, you're also going to find a GM kit, a Ford kit, as well as a Toyota Tacoma. So Stinger's really gone after that vehicle-specific installation for ease of install, and also make sure you get all that factory connectivity that you expect when upgrading your radio. So keep an eye out, as we always have the bundles curated and posted on our site to make sure you get exactly what you need for your installation. So that's going to be all the features and benefits you're going to get with the new Horizon 10. As always, stay tuned as we bring you more bundles utilizing this unit and other innovative products to fit your lifestyle.